Hello students, this is lecture number 6 and today we'll discuss the topic coordination of very first chapter of business studies class 12, nature and significance of management. Okay, so what's the meaning of coordination? The coordination means to synchronize the efforts of all peoples working in an organization. To synchronize the efforts of all people working in an organization. Okay, to make it more simple, as I said, in an organization we have a production department, we have a sales department, we have a marketing department, we have a finance department, we have human resource department. So coordination is to synchronize the efforts of all these departments and to ensure that they all are moving in the same direction. Okay, if I take an example of soft toys manufacturing company, sales department has received an order of manufacturing 10,000 soft toys. Okay, now sales department will be able to execute this order only if the production department manufacture 10,000 soft toys. Production department will be able to manufacture 10,000 soft toys only if the raw material department is able to give it to the required raw material well in time. Okay, the raw material department will be able to purchase the required amount of raw material only if it gets green signal from the finance department. So we can see the work of all departments is interrelated. So they have to at all point of time, all these departments, they have to coordinate their activities with one another in order to ensure the unity of action. Okay, so now coordination is not a separate function of management. Coordination is not a separate function of management. Functions of management, we know there are we have said only 5, that is planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. So coordination is not a sixth function of management. It is the essence of management. Okay, very beautifully it is been said, if suppose this is a garland, this is a garland. Okay, this is a garland. So suppose this is a garland in which this planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. Okay, planning, organizing, staffing, directing, controlling, we are taking them as flowers. Okay, we are taking them as flowers. Okay, and coordination is a third. Coordination is a third which is going to bind all these flowers together. Okay, which is going to bind all these flowers together. So coordination starts at the very first stage of planning. What we do at the planning stage? At the planning stage, the top level plans for entire organization. Okay, in organization, keeping the plans in mind, plans which have been designed by the top level management, keeping them in mind, an organization structure is developed. Okay, then we move to staffing, keeping the organization structure in mind, necessary people are hired. Okay, the necessary people are recruited and selected, and then directing, that is what your men want to do, keeping the plan that is prepared by the top level management, keeping the goals and objective as per the plan in mind. The necessary work is assigned, duties and responsibilities are assigned. Okay, then we talk about controlling. Again, keeping the goals or objectives decided at the stage of planning in mind, we compare our actual performance with the pre-decided objectives and we find out the deviations. Okay, so we can see coordination is required in all the functions of management at all stages in the process of management. So we need to have coordination not only in the functions of management, coordination has to be there at all levels of management. Okay, top level management, they need to coordinate with the subordinates while while formulating the policies. Okay, while formulating the goals, while formulating the objectives of the organization. Okay, move to next level, that is middle level management. Middle level management has to continuously coordinate with the supervisory level of management in order to see whether the work is being done in according with the organizational objectives and goals or not. Okay, whether the organizational policies, rules, regulations that have been framed by the top level management, whether they have been adhered to or not. Then at the supervisory level of management, they have to coordinate with the factory workers. They have to coordinate with the factory workers. And the middle level management, they have to take instructions. Okay, the middle level management, and make sure that the workers are doing the job as per the instruction received. So therefore, coordination has to be there at all levels of management and in all functions of management. आई होप ये वीडियो आपको समझ में आई होगी, अच्छी लगी होगी. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई है तो इसको लाइक करें, शेयर करें और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. थैंक यू.